Hello everyone, I am Jim Toyoka and I will be introducing our group and topic today. We are the group 2 and we are being tasked to report the 5 pillars of traffic management. First of all, what is traffic? Traffic refers to the movement of vehicles or pedestrians on roads, streets, or highways. It can be classified into different types such as vehicle traffic, foot traffic, or bicycle traffic. Traffic congestion occurs when the volume of the vehicles exceeds the capacity of the road, resulting in slower speed, longer travel times, and frustration for commuters. To avoid traffic, you can try planning your route in advance using traffic apps or website to check for real-time updates or considering alternative mode of transportation like public transit or cycling. Then what is traffic management? Traffic management refers to the strategies and measures implemented to regulate and control the flow of traffic on roads, streets, or highways. The goal of traffic management is to improve safety, efficiency, and the overall experience for road users. This can involve various techniques such as traffic signal optimization, which is timing and traffic to minimize delays and maximize traffic flow. We have here the lane management, which utilize lane markings, signage, and barriers to guide and direct traffic. And then speed management, implementing speed limits and enforcing them to ensure safe and consistent traffic flow. And we have here intersection design, which optimize the design and layout of intersection to minimize congestion and improve traffic flow. And 5, public transportation, encouraging the use of public transit to reduce the number of private vehicles on the road. And then 6, intelligent transportation system, utilizing technology such as traffic cameras, sensors, and real-time data to monitor and manage traffic conditions. And we have the number 7 and the traffic calming measures, implementing physical infrastructure such as speed bumps or roundabout to reduce vehicle speed and improve safety in residential areas. Effective traffic management requires the combination of planning, infrastructure, and enforce to create a safe and efficient transportation system. And now, all of our members are going to discuss to you viewers about the 5 pillars of traffic management, which are the traffic engineering, education, enforcement, and traffic environment, or ecology, and then traffic economy.
Good morning everyone, my name is Julius Calderon and I will be the first reporter of the first of the 5 pillars of traffic management, which is the traffic engineering. The traffic engineering involves the design, optimization of infrastructures and systems to achieve efficient and safe movement of people and goods on roadways. And there are the seven importance of traffic engineering. The first will be the safety. Traffic engineering aims to design the road system that prioritize the safetyness of the traffic users, including features such as proper signage, traffic signals, and road geometry to reduce the risk of accidents from the traffic users. Then the second importance is the efficiency. By optimizing traffic flow through proper signals, timing, lane configurations, and intelligent transportation system, traffic engineering helps minimize congestion and improve the overall efficiency of transportation networks. Then the third importance is the capacity planning. Traffic engineers assess the capacity of roadways and plan for future growth, ensuring that infrastructure can accommodate the increasing demands without significant congestions. Then the remaining 4 importance of traffic engineering will be discussed by my partner
Hello, Apusit Baitol. I am the second reporter who is going to report the remaining importance of traffic engineering. Earlier, in the first reporter, which is my partner Julius, he reported what is traffic engineering and the first three importance of traffic engineering. Now we are learning about the remaining, and I am Jonathan Hika. Now, the first importance of the traffic engineering is the public transit integration. Integrating public transit systems into overall traffic planning helps reduce reliance on individual vehicles, promoting the sustainable and efficient transportation. And the fifth importance of traffic engineering is the environmental impact. Efficient traffic engineering can contribute to reduce fuel consumption and lower emission, thereby mitigating the environmental impact of transportation. And the sixth importance of traffic engineering is the urban planning. So urban planning, traffic engineering plays a crucial role in urban planning by influencing the layout of roads and intersections and transportation hubs to create accessible and well-connected cities. And lastly, the seventh importance of the traffic engineering is the emergency response. Through emergency response, effective traffic engineering facilitates emergency response by ensuring the routes for emergency vehicles are optimized, helping to minimize response times during critical situations. And overall, the traffic engineering is vital for creating a safe, efficient, and sustainable transportation system that meets the needs of communities while considering factors like safety, environmental impact, and future growth. Now, for the next topic, the first of reporter will report about the traffic education. Please stand by and listen.
Pleasant day to you all. We have finished one topic so far, which was discussed by the two first of reporters. And now, I, Tim Thomas Garo, will introduce to you the second topic, which is traffic education. Traffic education focuses on learning and improving the knowledge, insight, skills, and attitudes that are necessary for safe traffic participation, including the will to safely take part in the traffic. Traffic education is created to educate drivers and riders on road discipline, practice safe mindset, and superior driving skills. Traffic education teaches people how to conduct themselves while driving or crossing roads. Road safety measures are aimed at reducing the risk of people getting involved in accident. In the first place, following these measures, the chances of accident, injuries, and damage to property are vastly reduced.
Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Base sa naunang report ng aking kasama ay ni-report niya ang ano nga ba ang traffic educations or under the traffic management ng CDI. So ngayon ating ipapatuloy ang kanyang nasimulan kung saan natin ipapahayag kung ano ba talaga ang meron sa traffic education. So base sa traffic educations, ito ay nagbibigay ng kaalaman sa atin upang maging mahusay tayo sa ating pagmamaneho o ating mga kaalaman base sa ating pagmamaneho. So pag sinabi natin traffic education kasi, dito natin ma-apply ang ating mga nalalaman bilang isang mamayanan upang ating may taguyod o magawa natin o magampanan natin kung ano ang nararapat na asal o ano ang nararapat natin gawin tuwing tayo ay nandoon sa ating sinatawag natin na roadway or pagmamaneho sa ating sasakyan. So ang education lamang, mas madali lang po itong malaman sapagkat ito ay nagbibigay lamang ng ating dagdag informasyon kung ano nga ba talaga ang mga dapat at hindi dapat nating gawin. At ito ay nagsisimula sa ating paralan noong tayo ay elementary pa lamang, tayo ay tinuturuan kung ano ang dapat or wasto na pagtawid. At pangalawa, ang secondary education natin naman ay dito natin nalalaman kung ano ang mga ibig sabihin ng mga traffic signs. And Pangatlo, ang ating higher education or ang college, which is nagbibigay ng dagdag informasyon kagaya namin dito sa criminology na nagtuturo kung ano nga ba talaga ang mga dapat gawin at ang mga naayon sa batas. At yun lamang po ang traffic education sa ating pagpapatuloy lang po natin ang sa ibang mga topics. And ako nga pala si Captain Jisme at ang aking kasama naman ay si Garo nung naunang report. Then maraming salamat sa iyong pakikinig.
Good day. Earlier, we have tackled about the first two topics of the 5 pillars of traffic management, which are the traffic engineering and the traffic education. Now, I, Andrea J. Durano, is tasked to discuss to you the third topic, which is the traffic enforcement. So, traffic enforcement, it deals mostly on the implementation and enforcement of traffic laws and regulations. Simply, the implementations enforcing the traffic laws. So there are 3 important goals of enforcement activities. First is increase safety level. Safety is important to all individuals and must be highly increased. Next is increase traffic efficiency, means that it must be organized and scaled in transportation. Lastly is ensured harmonious and comfortable environment. So again, it must be in order, keeping harmonious the flow and comfortable in environment. So agencies involved in the enforcement of the traffic. First is the Land Transportation Office or the RA 4186. It is one of the first agency in enforcement of traffic because it has the rules and regulations that must be. First is the vehicle registration. The vehicle must be registered every year. Vehicle inspection. It must be inspection to avoid accidents. It must be checked from the brakes mostly to avoid accidents. Driver's license. It is highly required that must have a driver's license to operate the vehicle. Another agency involves enforcement of the traffic is legislative bodies. In short, the lawmakers, whether it is national or local. Last agency would be the Police Traffic Enforcement, where there are Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA for NCR, the police auxiliaries, which are the volunteer personnel that like mostly seen in school zones or in crowded areas. Also, the example is the market, and last is the LTO, Law Enforcement Services.
Ngayong araw, ako si Oliver Cardenas at nag-asa na pagpatuloy sa diskusyon tungkol sa traffic enforcement. May mga iba't ibang uri ng warning sa traffic enforcement. Una ay ang visual warning. Ito ay kung saan ang traffic enforcer ay mayroong ginawa na hindi siya nagkaroon ng kontak sa violator at nagsinyas pamagitan ng pagtingin sa violator. Pangalawa ay ang verbal warning, kung saan binigyan ng patnubay sa pagkipag-kausap sa violator at bigay ng safety education. At ang panghuli ay ang written. Samang verbal at written kung saan nagbigay ng safety education at citation ticket ang traffic enforcer sa violator nito.
Hello, I am Kate Escalante and I will be your reporter for the next stop. A couple of minutes ago, we or you viewers have learned already 3 of the 5 pillars of traffic management. The first pair of reporters discussed traffic engineering, which is the science of measuring traffic and travel, while the second pair discussed traffic education, which is the provision of safety knowledge instruction to the public, and the third reporter discussed about traffic enforcement, where we've learned that it deals mostly on implementation and enforcement of traffic laws, rules, and regulations. We will now go to the fourth topic of the 5 pillars of traffic management, which is the traffic ecology or environment, as the first three have already been covered. What is ecology and environment? Ecology is the study of organisms and how they interact with the environment around them, while environment is the surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal, or plant lives or operates. And since we're talking about traffic ecology or environment is the study of dealing with factors like the potentially disastrous population explosion, changes in the urban environment brought about by the size and density of a new urban concentration and new activities, air and water pollution, crowding, and especially the resulting traffic congestion. The traffic environment encompasses road systems, vehicles, and regulations. It involves the interactions and dynamics of various elements to ensure safe and efficient transportation. In simpler terms, traffic ecology or environment refers to the study of the interaction between traffic and the environment. It explores the impact of transportation activities on ecosystems, air quality, noise levels, and overall environmental sustainability. In traffic environment or ecology, there are environment effects of the urbanization of transportation. And what are these? Any decision in modernizing the transportation system shall consider the following environmental effects. First is noise. The ill effect of noise is one of the major considerations in the evaluation of the consequences of traffic urbanization to the environment. The level of noise inside and outside a dwelling is an important indicator of the quality of life. The exact influence of traffic noise on human behavior is not well understood. It is known that exposure to noise level beyond 80 decibel annually. Vibration. Effect can be severe, particularly when there are heavy trucks and when the building is old. While there are subjective costs from experiencing vibration, a minimum cost of damage or prevention can be established from experience and experiment. The third one is air pollution. It is one of the most difficult problems because of the complexity of the issues involved. The effects of pollution are also strongly affected by meteorological and even by microclimate. The fourth one is dirt. These are foul and filthy substances related to motor vehicles use, such as empty can of oils or grease materials. And the fifth one is visual intrusion. Visual intrusion can have positive as well as negative effects. If a motorway blocks out an unsightly prison or railway yard, it may have positive benefits. On the other hand, the appearance of an elevated expressway or railway above a neighborhood is one of the aspects most frequently complained of. In general, visual intrusion can be avoided by putting a highway or railway upgrade or in a cutting. The sixth environmental effect is the neighborhood severance. Both physical and sociological, these can partly be quantified in terms of change, travel time, and cost. An accident experienced to pedestrians and traffic. And the last one is relocation. Relocation. There must be programs that are designed to cover compensation for those who relocate as a consequence of transport investment, whether property owner or tenants. The people relocated will tend to be decentralized as well as those sufficiently affected by the environmental consequences to refer to move. Now, those are the 7 environmental effects, and as we have learned already about traffic environment, let us now proceed to the next topic. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Edgar Comeras and I am here to report the 5th pillar of traffic management, the traffic economy. I am here with my buddy Elizar Bibi Jr. Traffic economy refers to the efficiency and flow of traffic within transportation system. An effective traffic economy is crucial for various reasons. Number 1, the efficiency, smooth traffic flow reduces travel time, benefiting commuters and business by saving time and increasing productivity. It means that shorter commute times contribute to better work life, improve productivity, and reduce stress. Number 2, fuel conservation. Reduced congestion leads to better fuel efficiency, contributing to environmental sustainability like reducing air pollution, lower greenhouse gas emission, and etc. Lowering fuel costs for individuals and business. Number 3, economic productivity. Efficient traffic systems facilitate the movement of goods and services, supporting economic activities and trade. It means that if the traffic economy can help in economic productivity, then it can help lead to increased standards of living and economic growth.
Hello, I am Elizar Ebe Jr., the body of Kenkan Cominos, who was the previous reporter. I will continue to discuss the effectiveness of traffic economy. The fourth one is quality of life. Minimizing traffic congestion improves the overall quality of life for residents by reducing stress, pollution, and the negative impact. Long commute times, efficient transportation system, smart urban planning, public transit option can help improve everyone's well-being. Number 5, safety. Well-managed traffic system enhance road safety by minimizing the risk of accidents and improving all transportation safety. Number 6, infrastructure. Infrastructure utilization. Optimal traffic flow ensures the transportation infrastructure is used effectively, extending the lifespan of roads and reducing the need for constant repairs. It means through this we can save more money and can also help commute service or traffic users. In summary, well-managed traffic economy is essential for saving time, resources, and improving overall societal well-being and economic growth.